In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. Now, the first thing you have to do when you sign into your account, you want to go to the top left over here and you want to click on Create. Now, whenever you do this, you're going to have a few options over here and you want to click on this one, which is called landing page. So just click on the landing page over here and then you have to give it a name, okay? So, of course, here you can, of course, type it in. It can be up to 100 characters. So I'm just going to name this one, for example, contact info, okay? Like this, of course, name it whatever, and then select your audience as well. So I'm going to select my audience over here, and now I'm going to click on begin. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to load you into the next screen over here where you have to select a template for your landing page. So you have a few different ones here. You have the lead generation, you have the promote products one again. You have different ones over here. You can basically kind of see and preview how these look whenever you look at these thumbnails. And then you have lead generation and you have the grow your list one as well, okay? So for this one, what I'm going to do here is just select this one called grow your list. But of course, you can select whichever one. It's going to work and you can completely customize it in the next step. So I'm going to click on this one, then wait for a few seconds for the next page to load, and then in here, there we go, this is where you can basically customize it, of course, however you want. So this is just like a simple landing page over here, as you can see, which is going to basically collect the email addresses. Now here, you can go and design it however you want. So, for example, over here, I'm going to add a logo. I'm going to click on the span button, which is always going to allow you to edit anything. You have this button, which is going to duplicate that specific block, just like that, as you can see. And then you have this button, which is going to delete that specific block, okay? So, of course, that's what you have to know. And here, if you click on the edit button, it's going to show you what all you can change. So in my case, I can upload a logo, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click on upload logo, and then it's going to take me in here where I can upload it, clicking this upload button and finding my logo. So I'm just going to use this one, which I uploaded already, and I'm going to click on insert top right. And there we go, it's going to get inserted. However, it's way too big, so we're going to change the image display size to something like this, okay? Now you can, of course, stylize that as well. You can give it a border if you want to. You can change it, you can make it dotted, whatever. And then you have the settings, which are going to allow you to align things differently. You'll be able to enable margins or not. And then, of course, here you have like different image support, etc. So we're going to leave this as it is. And then here, as you can see, it says a big enticing headline goes here. If you click on that, it's going to allow you to edit this over here on the right. So as you can see, of course, we created one called contact info over here. So I'm just going to type in, for example, please leave your email down below or something like this, okay? Of course, completely customizable. Again, you could go and use this, make it bold, not, italic, underline. You could add on links, you can add images. There's a bunch of different styling options you have up here. You can even change fonts, styles, sizes, etc. Now, whenever you do this, again, you have the style option over here where you can change whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it like it is. Maybe let's actually just change the color over here. And of course, you can do that as well for the text style, etc. I'm going to leave it like it is. And then down here, you can see there's like this block where it's going to tell you exactly what to do. So in here, you can, of course, tell people what they are signing up for. So I'm just going to type over here, you are signing up for my email list. And of course, you can type in whatever you want here. You could go and then again, use the content, style, etc. to basically stylize it however you want. So what I'm going to do here is put this to the middle. And then down here, as you can see, you can, of course, add different things. For me, there's like the email address bar where you can, of course, put in their email address and it's going to start collect them. And you can, of course, put in different things as well, like first name, last name, make them required or not, completely up to you. And yeah, that's how you can add the content in here, okay? Of course, you can click on save and close over here and you'll be able to add the kind of general styles and then pages here to your kind of editor. And you also have the option to add different blocks. So for example, let's say you want like an image plus text card, you could go and just add it down here, drop it, and you have a new block over here where you can essentially do whatever you want, okay? So I'm going to delete this part right now because I don't need it. And then you have things like up here, of course, you can see you can add like buttons, you can add dividers, and here inside the style tab, you can change the headers, you can change the page, the body, pretty much whatever you want. And if you hover over here, you can also change the color over here of this background, or you could also pick like an image, of course, you want to put as your background. Now in here, you can see this sign up form is going to be, of course, available, and you can, of course, customize this one as well. But yeah, so that's essentially how you create your own landing page in Mailchimp. And then whenever you're done, whenever it looks good, you can preview it here in the top right. And if the preview is looking cool, for example, let's say I'm happy with this, because I am, I could go ahead and just preview the mobile version as well, and this one looks cool as well. And then you can just click on the X button top right, save and close it down here at the bottom right, and there we go. You basically have yourself a landing page which we created from scratch inside Mailchimp. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.